Welcome to my tutorial today. Thank you so much for your support and continue to support my channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. If you've been part of the gang, continue to share, comment, like, and I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. So today we are going to look at regular expression function. So that is a regex function in Excel. Um, so regular expression is a powerful way to search and manipulate text. So we are going to manipulate our text here by only extracting the email. So we are going look at column C. This is the column that we are much concerned with. So we are going to extract our email. We are going to use the regex function to be able to help us to extract email from the text in cell B4. So let's dive in. So step 1, click equal sign, then regex, then this function mirrors or checks on two things which are very, very important that you need to take note of, okay? As you do this. So I want you to try this by yourself. Comment, share down below, and let me know. Text. So this is the text we are going to look at, and the regular expression. So the regular expression depends on the regular expression pattern, and this regular expression part of the function is very, very important because it can only be understood in a machine language, that is in a programming language. So the pattern can only be understood in a programming language, in a coded language. So I'm going to show you how to be able to get the pattern, and this function is so amazing that you can be able to use it to extract emails from text. You can be able to extract date from text. You can be able to extract numbers from text. You can be able to extract even date from text. So I'm going to show you this. So once we've done that, we are going to select our text in column B, cell B4, then comma, then double parenthesis. Okay. So double parenthesis give us our pattern, where we need to insert our pattern. And as I had said earlier, that our regular expression is defined by a pattern, which is is coded in a programming language. So we are going to use, and in programming language, we have AI tools that can be able to help us to be able to get our pattern or our regular expression. So here you can use Copilot, or you can be able to use ChatGPT. So here I'm going to use ChatGPT. For some other people can use Copilot AI platform to be able to help us extract our regular expression. So that is what we are going to do. So we go to our ChatGPT, then we are going to express, just give it what you want. What do you want to get? So this is the text. I'd already done this. So give me the reg pattern to extract email from text. So if I have the great progress email, Vincent, the final proposal at vincent@thepod.com for funding disbursement, I want to return to Vincent@thepod.com. gmail.com double parenthesis. So I'm telling the AI to be able to help give me a function or a pattern that will help me to extract email address from the text. And this text is the same as the text as from here. The one in the close parenthesis is the same as the text in Excel here. Okay? In this cell B4. Right. So once I enter, the ChatGPT will run for me, and I'll be able to get the pattern code. Okay. So the pattern code is in 3 levels. In Excel as a regular expression, here the first one, and in Python for those people who are programmers in Python. This is a language, is a machine language, and also those people who are doing web design. So is on CSS as well. So for me, I'll pick the first one, copy. Once copy, I'll go back to my Excel, then be able to paste it in between the 2 parentheses. Then I'll be able to close it that in that manner, then enter. So if I get an error, I'll be able to come back and clear the space in between the text and the parentheses, then enter. Wow, it works for me. So I'm able to extract the email from the text. So I've used the regex function. But that is not the end. So let's see. Let's double click and see. So we are able to extract.